thing I'm telling to you, just I will, I'm recording this total session there. No need to worry about it, and everything I will provide to you, that recorded sessions. No need to take any running notes and no need to have any material also there. Just try to listen my explanation, that is sufficient, and every session I will record. At the end of this session, I will confirm all the formalities there, no need to worry about it. Today's session also I recorded now, just I started recording part. Just I will share this recording to all of you now. Just wait a few minutes of time. Good sir, thanks a lot. Right, Sachin sir, good. So anyway, understand it no? Initially, might be, in general, all the organizations are talking about Java in the form of 3 parts, core Java, advanced Java, J2EE, but it is not right classification. Sun Microsystems has provided Java in 3 parts now. That first one is J2SE or Java SE, second one is J2EE or Java EE, this is the second one. And similarly, the third part inside the Java is which one? J2ME, or we can call it as Java ME. So what is the abbreviation for this one? Java 2, we can understand micro edition. Java 2 micro edition. In general, people are misunderstanding about it. Here M in the sense, here M is which one? Mobile edition. People are thinking about it. But strictly speaking, it is not mobile edition. That M is which one? Micro. Java 2 micro edition here. Good. These are the 3 parts are available in Java. Good. This is what exactly the classification provided by Sun Microsystems here. We can identify it. Right, sir. Now understand this next one. Okay. Inside the Java, 3 parts are available. Everything is okay. But what exactly the purpose of each and every part that we want to learn? What is the requirement of each and every part? What is the importance of each and every part that we need to understand? Right, sir. Understand it. First one is you can understand J2SE. What is the intention of this J2SE actually? The main intention of J2SE is which one? To cover fundamentals of Java programming language. Fundamentals of Java only. It is not like which one you know. Complete Java, just J2SE, Java to standard edition covers fundamentals of Java programming language. By using these fundamentals, what we will do now is very clear. By using these fundamentals, we will prepare standalone applications. By using these fundamentals, we will prepare standalone applications. Observe guys, what I am telling you. So this is about clearly which one? No? J2SE part or Java SE parts. So this J2SE part will cover fundamentals of Java, just basics of Java. And by using these basics, by using these fundamentals, we'll prepare standalone applications. This is another point. So what is standalone application? I will come for this point once again. Now coming to the next one, J2EE part. What is the purpose of J2EE part? To cover like a server-side programming. The J2EE part will cover server-side programming mainly. By using the server-side programming, what we are able to provide, we are able to prepare enterprise applications. By using this J2EE part, we will cover server-side programming. By using the server-side programming, we will cover enterprise applications. This is another one. Good. Okay guys, next one, last one here. J2ME, Java 2 micro edition. What is the purpose of this one now? So to cover, this can be used to cover micro programming in general, micro programming. This micro programming can be used to prepare mobile based application. In general, this micro programming can be used to prepare mobile based applications. That's all. Now these are the 3 parts here we can identify clearly. Guys, understand it now? One more time I'm explaining to you. Java is available in 3 parts overall. What are the 3 parts here? J2SE, J2EE and J2ME. J2SE will cover fundamentals of Java in order to prepare standalone applications. Okay. Guys, and 1 minute, all of you confirm to me. All of you are listening my voice. Just type yes or no on chat window. Guys, please. Can you confirm to me as all of you listen my voice clearly? Okay, thanks a lot. Yes, it's okay, fine. And Dharmendra Singh sir, I think so all of them are listening. Just try to check once again your audio system. I think so it may not be proper. All the people are listening my voice clearly. Just I got notices from all the members now. Right, good. Thanks a lot. Right, sir. Now next one, J2EE, Java to Enterprise Edition. It will cover server-side programming in order to prepare server-side applications. Third one is J2ME. So it will cover micro programming. By using this micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile-based applications clearly. We can identify it. Okay, guys. Now try to understand it. What exactly the meaning of standalone applications and what is the meaning of enterprise application and what is the meaning of mobile-based applications? These three things we are going to understand clearly. Good. Understand these points now? Right. 1 minute wait. Understand all of you know? For example, if we prepare any application, without using client server architecture, if we prepare any application without using client server architecture, then this application is called as standalone application. You guys understand it? Without using client server architecture, I am saying that it means that more than one machine is not available, no client machine, no server machine, and no concept like protocol, no concept like request, no concept like response, and no concept like server-side programming, and all the things are not available. So without using client-server architecture, if you prepare any application, Java application or whatever it may be, then that application is called as which one? Standalone application. Good. Now this is a single computer I have used. Inside this single computer, I have prepared one Java application or whatever it may be. Example wise I have taken there. One Java application. Now inside this Java application I have written my required instruction set. Number of instructions I have written here, that is totally as per my application requirement. So just within a single mission, the total application logic is distributed. I have not distributed my application logic over multiple missions. The complete application logic is distributed within a single mission. So this type of application is called as a standalone application. Right, if you design any application without using client server architecture, just by distributing complete application logic over the single machine, distributing the total application logic over the single machine, then this type of application is called as which one? Is a standalone application. Good. The complete application is distributed here itself. We don't have any more than one machine here. So this is called as standalone application. To prepare these standalone applications, we are going to use a separate technology set. That separate technology is which one here? J2SE, and what next one? No, Java SE. You can identify it. J2SE or Java SE. This is an example. This is about our point here. Right, what are the examples, sir? What are the examples for this particular one? So I want to give some clarity about this example, try to understand it. In general, if you take, let's say for example, like calculator, if you take any example like calculator. So what is going on in calculator? No, right? Maybe we are already used the calculators. If we observe the calculator, it will type 5 plus 10, some numbers there. Then click on equal button. Then automatically will get 15 as an answer on the same machine. In the same device, we have given input. In the same machine, we got output here. So here, we don't have any remoting kind of concept. We don't have any client server architecture. We don't have any sending request to the server and getting response from the server. We don't have any such kind of concepts now. So in a single calculator, our complete internally some program is executed. It means that when I provided 5 plus 10 equal operator, internally one small program is executed. That program is taking 5 and 10 input data, recognizing that plus is an arithmetic addition operator. Then by using that addition operator, it will perform addition operation. Result will be displayed on the same screen here. So here single device, that program is executed within the single machine. So it is called as which one? It is a client, that means it is a standalone application. We can identify it clearly. Good. Now, if you want to go for one more example, just I'll give one small example. You can try to understand it. No need to take any other example. Just I'll give our institute is the best example. Durga Software Solutions is the best example. Let's understand it. One simple scenario I am representing here. Try to understand it now. Right. This is about clearly understand it. DURGASOFT front office, for example. Let's understand it. Very simple example I am taking. In our understandable level, I am taking this example. Identify it. This is DURGASOFT front office. In a DURGASOFT front office, for example, 4 counselors are available. Counselors in the sense, and they will explain what exactly the new courses are available and all the things. No. So this is DURGASOFT front office, where 4 counselors are existed there. Right. Per day, each and every counselor, and they are able to handle per day, single counselor, she able to handle per day, how many inquiries there? Maximum 10 inquiries they are able to handle, or otherwise 25 inquiries they are able to handle per day. Guys, understand it. Per day, each and every counselor able to handle 25 inquiries, 25 customers, 25 inquiries now. So here also 25 inquiries, and here also 25 inquiries, and here also 25 inquiries. This is the concept here. Good. For example, identify this. So when a student come to DURGASOFT front office here, for example, when a student comes to DURGASOFT front office, and when they are taking counseling, when they are coming to one counselor, now this student, ex-student come to DURGASOFT front office, for example, and this ex-student coming to this counselor. Now I am going to give name for this counselor also. There is a counselor desk. Now we can identify. This is counselor A and counselor B and counselor C and counselor D. Identified. So when ex-student comes to counselor D, and when they sat there, and counselor will ask to that ex-person, what do you want to know, which courses you want to know there. Simply, you might be given some information, Java I want to know. Immediately, guys, understand it. Immediately, our counselor D will give one inquiry form to him, that ex-person. Right. Whenever our counselor has given inquiry form to that ex-person, immediately that the ex-student will see that inquiry form, where that student name is available, student number is available, student email is available, student mobile number, and student address, and all the communication details, and the required course list is available. You might be ticked the required course. Then after that, all the things, every content is available in that inquiry form. Student may fill that inquiry form clearly. When he filled that inquiry form, when he written that inquiry form to our counselor D, now immediately what our counselor D will do now, and she will and check that information what student has filled there. Immediately she is trying to explain about the required information for that ex-student. Good. He want to know about Java. So he want to know about Java. So he specified some Java related courses there, and finally, she identified his requirement is Java, and our counselor has given that required information to that ex-counselor, ex-student. Finally, ex-student got satisfied about it. Okay, fine, it was completed. Now he left from our DURGASOFT front office. When he left from DURGASOFT front office, now what is the remaining? What is the next step? What is going on in our D counselor care? Just try to understand it. In DURGASOFT front office are given a separate computer for each and every counselor. Separate computer are given, individual computers. Even LAN connection is also not available. Internet connection is also not available. Just only individual autonomous computers I provided there clearly now. So when ex-student counseling was completed there in front of the D counselor, then immediately she will take that inquiry from what student has filled, and she will open that computer. In that computer I prepared one Java program already. D counselor will open that Java program. When she opened the Java program, where 4 buttons we can identify, add inquiry button, and next one is a search inquiry button, update inquiry button, delete inquiry button. Like that some buttons are identified there. When these buttons are identified and she wants to add that student details onto the system, so she will click on add inquiry button. When she clicked on add inquiry button, the same inquiry form will open in our system there clearly. Now D counselor will open that inquiry form. What student has filled already on paper there, the same inquiry form is available by executing our exact computer, by executing our Java program. Then immediately she will add that student details onto the inquiry form, and she will click on submit button. Automatically that inquiry will be added to that system clearly. Guys, understand it now. Like this, every counselor, they are able to handle 25 inquiries per day. 4 counselors are available. Good. Number of students are coming to all the counselors. Their counseling is going to be completed. Students may left from DURGASOFT front office there. All the counselors, they are able to manage their total 25 number of inquiries there. Good. Every day at the end of the session, at the end of the day, night 9 o'clock, myself as an administrator, I'll come to each and every counselor system and I will run the same Java program individually. Then in the Java program, I have a button like Get Enquiries button. I may click on Get Enquiries button. All the enquiries on the day, how many enquiries are available, I'm able to get all the enquiries in the form of Excel sheet in the form of a particular printout. I'm able to get all the inquiry details in the form of a printout and I click on this Get Enquiries button clearly. So I'll go to might be Counselor A where I will get 25 inquiries sheet. I'll go to Counselor B, I'll execute the same Java program, I'll get 25 inquiries now. I'll go to D Counselor, I'll go to C Counselor. Finally, at all the counselors, I'll go to that counselor's desk, I'll get all 25 each inquiries data in the form of Excel sheets. Finally, 100 inquiries I'm able to get per day clearly. This is going on. Guys, I'm asking one question here. Try to answer for it. In this overall example, each and every counselor is having a separate system, no internet connection. At each and every system, a separate Java program I installed, right? By executing the Java program only, they're adding student details onto the system, they're updating student details on the system, they're deleting student details from the system, and I'm getting the total student details from system. Everything we are doing by executing a Java program at each and every system individually. So here in this example, that program is executed on a system independently. It is not dependent on any other system. It is not dependent on any other system program here. Whatever the program I provided at each and every system, that program is executed independently. So in this example, whatever the Java program that counselor is running and myself is running individually, this application is called as which one? A standalone application. This application is called as which one? A standalone application we can identify it. So this is what exactly the meaning of which one here? No, like a standalone application. If we design any application and if we execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then by running the total application within a single machine, then this application is called as standalone application. This is an example here. Good. It's okay, guys. We understood clearly what exactly the meaning of standalone application. We understood this point here. But now I want to go for what is enterprise application. What exactly the meaning of enterprise application? We need to understand it. Guys, I'll give clarity. Enterprise application is also called as distributed application. Enterprise application is also called as, which one can know? Distributed application. We need to understand this point. What is the meaning of this distributed application? Once again, this is a question here. Yes, understand it now? I'll go for this distributed application concept now. For example, if we design any application, any Java program on the basis of client server architecture, if we design any Java application on the basis of client server architecture, then this type of application is called as which one? Distributed application. Okay guys, understand it? I will give some clarity. Now here I am going to take one machine here. This is one computer and I am going to take, this is another computer. Two computers here I have taken. Identify this. Two computers. Now this is which one? I want to call it as client machine. Now I want to call it as server machine. Client machine and server machine. Between these two, client and server machines, here we need a network. Client machine, server machine. Now here we need which one? Network. This is network, internet connection, whatever it may be. Okay. Now at client machine, I'll prepare a Java application, Java program. This application is called as client app. At server machine, I'll prepare one more Java application that is called as server app. At client machine, I'll prepare one application that is called as client application. At server machine, I'll prepare another application that is called as which one? Server app. At a client app, number of intersections are existed. We can understand it. At server app, number of intersections are available. Here also we can identify it. Good. Right, sir. Then what is going on when we execute this total application, client application and server application? When we execute this total application, first client application will submit a request to the server. Client will submit a request to the server. Then whenever client sends request to the server, first network will take that request. Network will carry that request to the server machine, and the network will send that request to which one? Server side application. Now request is coming to the server side application. Understand guys what I am telling there? Client sends request to the server. Now first network will take that request. Network will carry that request to the server machine. Now server machine will take that request. Then when server machine takes that request, server machine will execute that, will process that request. It will execute some instructions at server machine. All these are instructions now. When server side program is executed there clearly, after execution of this server side program, what will happen there? Some response will be generated. After that, automatically that response will be given back to the client. When we submitted response back to the client, first network will take that response, and network will carry that response to the respective client. And what network will do here? Network will send the response back to the respective client. Now client is able to take that response. So here this is the response, and this is which one here? Response here we are able to get, and this is response here. We can identify it again. This is response. So overall, client sends request to the server processing some, server executes some program at server side, and finally server sends some response back to the respective client. And sending response to the client in a sense, first response will come to the network. Network will carry that response to the respective client, and client will take that response here. Right. If you observe this total process, my application, my complete application is distributed over multiple machines. My complete application is distributed over multiple machines, client machine and server machine. So this program is executing on the basis of which one? Client server architecture, this application. So application is distributed over multiple machines, client machine and server machine. So that this application is called as distributed application. This application is called as which one? Distributed application. This distributed application is also called as which one? Enterprise applications. Understand my point? This distributed application is also called as enterprise applications. So distributed applications and enterprise applications. This is a clarity now. Good. So finally, if you design any application on the basis of client server architecture and by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is called as which one? Distributed application or enterprise application. There is a clarity here. Next one, after completion of it, another point is, another one is what I am telling there. Next one, any example for this distributed application? That point also here we have to understand. So nowadays, if we take any internet application that is come under which one? Distributed application or enterprise application. Let's say for example, nowadays banking examples are available, banking applications are available, bank related bank applications are available, e-banking and online transactions and everything we are doing there. So that is also we come under which one here? No, this particular content here. We can identify it. Let's understand it. Okay, all bank applications, we can understand they are which one here? Distributed applications. All e-commerce applications, we can understand they are which one? Distributed applications. And healthcare applications, distributed applications. Income tax applications, they are distributed applications. And insurance applications, they are distributed applications. Nowadays, almost all 90% of the applications in outside world, 90% of the applications are in outside world are come under which one? Distributed applications. So here standalone applications and distributed applications ratio if you take now, distributed applications are occupying 90% of the market. Just only 10% of the applications are which one? There no standalone applications maximum. They are simple applications, their scope is very less. But distributed application scope is very well. So because of this reason only, to prepare this distributed applications, Sun Microsystems has provided a separate technology set. That technology set is which one here now? J2EE, or we can understand Java EE. That's all. So this is what exactly the point about which one? No, distributed applications clearly. Good, sir. Now, previously I have given one example, guys. Try to understand it now. So previously, one DURGASOFT front office example I have given. Now I am asking one question to all of you. Try to answer for it. For example, previously all the counselors, 4 counselors are available. Each counselor, they are able to handle 25 inquiries per day. Okay, overall 100 inquiries we are able to handle per day with 4 counselors at DURGASOFT front office. Then after that, 4 missions are given for each and every counselor. Overall 4 missions are given. They entered that student details onto the mission. Okay, that example if we consider. So what is going on in that example there? Understand guys what I am telling there in that example? For example, for a day 100 inquiries are available, so our 4 counselors are able to handle 100 inquiries now. But down the line 1 year of time, DURGASOFT reputation is increasing in outside. Number of students are coming to the DURGASOFT front office, gradually it is increased. And during this 1 year of time, nearly 1000 number of inquiries are coming per day. 1000 inquiries are coming per day. But we have only 4 counselors. Guys, understand it. I am giving some situation. I am creating some situation. Try to understand it. So up to now 4 counselors, they are able to handle 100 inquiries per day. But unfortunately, DURGASOFT reputation is increasing in outside. Per day 1000 inquiries are coming to the DURGASOFT front office. 1000 members are coming. But how many counselors are available here? Only 4 counselors there. 4 counselors are able to handle max 100 members. But 1000 inquiries are coming. Remaining 900 inquiries are not handled by our front office people. 900 inquiries we are losing per day. Only we are handling 100 inquiries per day. 900 inquiries are not handled. So very good impact is going on my business now. So huge impact is going on my business. I am losing my business clearly. Almost all 10 times business I am losing there. What I am doing at present, no, 10 times business I am losing. So myself is an administrator. So what I have to do here? Guys, think about it. You are the administrator. No, for example, if it is a case for you, then what we will do, how to handle the situation, for example. Right. To handle this situation, I have a solution. Yes, understand it. To handle this situation, I have some solutions. 2 solutions are available with me. Try to justify my 2 solutions here. Guys, all of you listen my example. All of you clearly understand my example. Please say yes or no on chat window so that I can continue. No response. Are you listening my voice? Guys, are you listening my voice?
Yes, I replied on the chat.
Yeah. Please type on chat. Type on chat window so that I want to understand it. Okay. Guys, I am not getting any notices from you. No chat. Chat, just type yes. At least I want to get confirmation from all of you. Type yes on chat window. Yes, good. Okay guys, right. Immediate response are required guys. Just please type whenever I'm saying yes or no, please immediately type it so that I can go to the exact example. Right guys, now our situation is which one now? Per day 1000 inquiries are coming, but 4 counselors are available. They are able to handle only 100 inquiries per day. But 1000 number of inquiries are available. At present, 900 inquiries we are losing every day. So what I have to do the solution as an administrator, I have two solutions clearly. Try to understand these two solutions now. Solution number one. Solution number one. 900 remaining inquiries if you want to handle. For 104 counselors we required. 900, 900 in the sense, how many counselors we required again now? 9 into 4. 32 members again we need to add. 4 already existed. 36 nearly 40 counselors we have to provide. This is one point. Nearly we have which one there? 40 counselors we need to provide. This is okay. If you take this example, 40 counselors if you want to manage, okay, up to now at present 1000 inquiries, okay, 40 counselors we maintain. Guys, understand it. One more point, what I am telling there. For example, in the next year down the line, one more year, next year down the line, 1000 more inquiries are increased. Per day 2000 inquiries are coming. Then what we will do? Again, we want to increase 2000 more. Again, we want to increase 40 more counselors now. Okay, 40 already existed. One more 40, 80 counselors. Good. Next year, one more 1000 is increased. One more 40 now. One more 1000 increase. One more 40. How long we are going to increase number of counselors in our front office? Think about it, guys. How long we are going to increase this number of counselors might be every year. If we are trying to increase number of counselors there, at one situation what will happen? Whatever the money we are going to collect it, we are going to be collected from students, no? That many automatically we have to be dispatched to which one? All the counselors only. So no business at DurgaSoft here. Just that money is going to be distributed to the employees only. No business is going on here. So this is not fair solution. This is not right solution. As an administrator, I should not go for this solution as a right solution here. So I need to think about alternative. Yes, understand it. I have to think about alternative here. So what exactly the alternative here I want to provide? Try to observe this alternative here, all of you guys. My alternative is which one? I want to prepare a website. Guys, understand it. I want to prepare a website. I'll go for one website. www.durgasoft.com. I'll give one website. Yes, sir. Sajid, sir. Good. Thanks a lot. I want to go for one website. So www.durgasoft.com website I will prepare and I will publish this website to outside. I will send this website information to outside to everybody. Now what we are giving information to the public now. If you want to know about, about the details about courses which are going on at DurgaSoft, no need to come for our front office. No need to come for our front office. Just stay at your home only. Open your home system, your personal laptop. Open browser. Where type just www.durgasoft.com. Just type that website name. Automatically, DurgaSoft home page will come to your system, where two hyperlinks are available. One hyperlink is inquiry for courses, and second hyperlink is register for courses. Understand it, kid? Right? Understand it? What I am telling there. All of you guys understand my point here. What I am telling now, just come to www.durgasoft.com. Just provide that website name on your browser. Automatically DurgaSoft website we are able to get. And where two hyperlinks we can see. What are the two hyperlinks here? One is which one? No, we can identify it. One is which one here? Register for courses. Another one is which one? Inquiry for courses. Right, sir. So what I am telling there now, register for courses and inquiry for courses in a sense. If I click on inquiry for courses now, immediately course list we are able to see. What we are able to see the course list here now, like a C, C++, Java, Android, HADOOP, maybe .NET, SAP related courses, all the courses list we are able to get. Where we can select our required course Java, for example. I selected Java. When we select Java, where subparts are available, core Java, advanced Java, structs, hibernate, Spring, web services, all the things we are able to get. And when we provide that course list, no, then what next one here? We can select the required course here. When we select the required course, immediately one more hyperlink we are able to get, register for this course now. And when we get this register for course, now if you want to register for that course, just click on register for course. Automatically registration form will come. Then on that registration form, you have to fill your credit card information and your transaction details and your professional details and your address details and mobile number, email ID. Then after submit that form, automatically our DurgaSoft server, that means on DurgaSoft application website, will perform the transaction and it will send one acknowledgement mail to your mail ID. So it will give a note also. While coming to the demo class, we have to bring that mail what you received there and try to show that mail page to our classroom in charge, and they will provide accommodation for you inside the class. This is going on class. Like this, I am able to provide which one? One website clearly, durgasoft.com, one website I will provide clearly to all the students there. When I provided this website like that, no, like this, automatically students are utilizing that website. Student will get required information and at their home itself they will register for the courses at DurgaSoft. So in this scenario, students are not required to come over front office. In this particular scenario, students are not required to come over front office. So automatically they will get their required information through website. If this type of website support is available from DurgaSoft here, then what is the requirement for students to come for our front office? No, not required. At the same time, the number of enquiries may be 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 or maybe 1 lakh number of enquiries. No. So what is the problem to DurgaSoft front office here? No. Just 4 counselors are sufficient. No need to have any physical enquiries there in outside here. 4 counselors are sufficient here. Then all the enquiries are automatically handled by which one? Our DurgaSoft website clearly. So in that situation, any number of enquiries we can increase there in outside. No. So we will not get any problem here. So here durgasoft.com website is playing very good role. Now observe this durgasoft.com here, what is going on. So durgasoft.com is a website. Website in the sense it is a web application. Web application in the sense distributed application. Distributed application in the sense which one? Enterprise application. So here also that application is running on the base of client server architecture. When a student typed www.durgasoft.com on client browser, request will come to the DurgaSoft website. That means server-side application. Server-side application will send a home page of that website. When a student clicked on register, that means inquiry for courses. Now, again one more request is coming to the DurgaSoft website, DurgaSoft server-side program. Server-side program will send a courses list to the respective student. When a student has selected a particular course there, again request will come to the DurgaSoft and server-side program. Server-side program will send the required information clearly. So this total application is running on the base of which one? Client to server architecture we can identify. This total application is running on the base of which one? Client to server architecture. So because of this reason I can conclude this website or internet applications or banking applications or like hospitality applications maybe and healthcare applications, insurance applications, and all these kind of domain applications are come under which one can know? Distributed applications. That's why I said to you, distributed applications are occupying 90% of the market, only standalone applications are occupying just 5 to 10% of the market we can identify. So this is what exactly the meaning of which one? Distributed applications. To prepare these distributed applications, we are going to use which one here? J2EE technologies or Java EE technologies we can understand. Good. Anyway, of course guys, understand it no? Today I am taking demo class for only which one can know? J2SE. That means it is which one can know? Core Java. But J2EE in the sense we can identify it right from servlets, JSPs and all the other things we can include there inside this J2EE. So J2SE in the sense our core Java content. Today just I am taking these demo classes for which one can know? Core Java classes here. We can identify it. Okay, good. J2SE we understood. J2EE we understood here. And next one is which one? J2ME. Identified. Java to micro edition. By using this Java to micro edition, we can prepare which applications there? No, mobile based application. Best example for this mobile based applications, identify it no. For example, if you are having any Vodafone communication with you, for example, Vodafone has provided one mobile app, My Vodafone app, like this they have provided one app. So through that web we can pay the payments and through that web we can get the information about our account. Through the same app we are able to get last 10 payments or last 5 payments. No, everything we are able to get. Individual tracking about the customer we are able to provide through which one can know? That Vodafone app. Similarly in DurgaSoft example also, if you want to provide tracking about individual students, their first payment details, their second payment details, their third payment details, and their required courses, how many courses they want to plan, at what time their courses are going on, at what time might be their courses reviews going on, and at what time new courses are going to be started. If you want to communicate with the students individually, so DurgaSoft maybe is also required to prepare one separate app, mobile app, no? That mobile app is which one? Durga app might be, it has to prepare there. To prepare this type of mobile app, they have to use which technology is there? No, J2ME or Java 2 micro edition. So this is an example for which one you know J2ME, Java 2 micro edition we can identify it. So these are the technology standards we need to identify clearly, guys. Okay, guys, all of you listen my voice clearly. All of you seeing my screen clearly. Just type S on chat window. Just click or type chat might be and check on chat window. Right, good. Thanks a lot. Right, guys. Now coming to this. So this is a technically some information I discussed with you. Just 3 parts which are available in Java. That's okay, fine. Technically I discussed with you like that. Now I want to come for my what exactly the support I am going to be provided to all of you regarding this today's demo class and regarding this course scale. So today, yes sir, got understand it. Understand it now. Today demo just I have taken for which one here core Java. Today batch is which one? Core Java. This is a topic. Core Java is a topic. Then Core Java is a course. So I started just have taken demo for this Core Java. Good. Next one. After completion of this Core Java or maybe at some other time, maybe before your class or maybe after your class, I have an intention I want to start which one? Advanced Java also. So just I have taken responsibility to take Java classes right from starting point of the Java to ending point of the Java. So I aware about it and I used to take classes for Core Java, Advanced Java, Start, so Hibernate, Spring, Web Services, top to bottom of Java. Complete Java. I know about it and I used to take the classes there. So in online classes also I want to take right from Core Java to that ending point here. But today I have taken responsibility for which one Core Java class. Today just I started this Core Java classes here. In the continuous mode after completion of this Core Java, Advanced Java, after that starts after that Hibernate and Spring Web Services, total content I want to discuss. I have a plan for it. Even I'll give that schedules also maybe in the future clearly when the time comes for me now. So this is today, but I started which one there? Core Java class. This is one thing. And the next one, what are the services I'm able to provide to all of you guys? Services I'm telling there. What exactly service I'm providing there? And before these services, first of all, which version I'm going to be discussing with you clearly. So first version of Java to latest version of Java. Everything we will cover. What is the latest version of Java, guys? Understand it now? Java 8 version as of now. In the next April, I may expect which one Java 9 version. So definitely, I think after that might be your course is going to be completed. You may be in a framework spot, maybe maximum. By that time, whenever Java 9 version come into the picture, I'll conduct one free workshop for all the students regarding this Java 9 version also clearly. So myself is very much interested about which one here that learning about all the latest technologies and discussing about the latest technology. Myself is very much crazy on this particular part. So myself is very good learner for new technologies always there. So definitely when new technology is coming on Java, definitely myself I will update it and I will and teach that new technologies also as part of our classes. This is one thing. Next one, apart from that, services, what I am giving that services here. So clear cut explanation. This is one thing for each and every topic in depth. It is not like definition or syntax kind of course here. In depth knowledge. So I given I think so. Our admin people have submitted the total syllabus sheets to you. I think so. Nearly 15 to 20 pages of syllabus I prepared already. I given already that syllabus sheet to my admin people. Might be they have already submitted. They have already shared my syllabus paper and PDF file to all of you. Just we can check it. Nearly 25 topics are going on in that syllabus here totally. Every topic, whatever the content I specified there in that syllabus, no, everything I will discuss with you clearly. So might be unfortunately that syllabus paper is not available with me. Just otherwise I will show that. Anyway, tomorrow I will show that one clearly. I think already your mail IDs might be received. Your mails might be, you may receive your mails regarding the syllabus papers also. Just check it. The total content we can identify it now. So very good explanation, in-depth coverage. That is my main strength about this Java programming. Just we can understand. And other one is which one? live execution, guys. I'll provide live execution. What is the meaning of this live execution here? I don't want to show any previous backup programs output to you. Just whatever maybe the requirement is coming there, the complete requirement I will type in front of you application. The total development part I will show in front of you clearly. Just we can see my development part on system. Every requirement and every topic, everything, I will type the programs in front of you. I will show application outputs on real time. That means on live execution I am able to follow clearly. Next one, nearly 500 plus pages of material document I will provide to you. Already pre-typed document. Already I typed the document previously. That my total concept, whatever the words are coming out from my mouth there, every word I included in that material might be soft copy. I will share the total soft copy to all of you. 500 pages of document, total core Java. Maybe it may be more than that, maybe 600, 700 also there now. Just I type it, the total many number of pages are available with a clear-cut material. That material I will share to all of you. This is one thing. Next, another one is I used to record every my session in my system, and I will share recorded videos to all. I will share recorded videos. That means today's session also I recorded. That video I will share to all of you. Every day one video will come to you, then we can access it. Maybe we might be uploaded in Google Drive or Mega maybe. Just I will send that link to you. Why? Because we are unable to send the total video to in the network there. Just we will upload in drives. Just we can and check the drives and we can see the total video there clearly now. So we will share that recorded videos to all of you. So we will get the access of that videos any number of times. We don't have any limitation for it here. Even officially we are giving some time boundary up to 6 months or 7 months or 1 year of time, but it is namesake only. But throughout maybe maximum and throughout our life might be throughout the content we are able to see that videos clearly now. This is one support I am providing to all of you clearly. So clear-cut explanation, in-depth knowledge and a live execution, 500 pages of document I want to share, and every day, every class I will record that video, and that recorded video I will share to all of you. Now these are the services what I am going to be provided clearly. Good guys. And the next one, apart from that, alright guys, now this is important. Before going to terminate my session, I want to talk with you regarding this point also now. See, what are the topics are available? Main topics I am listing there. Actually 20 topics are available. In Core Java main topics I am telling there. Introduction part is one thing. Second one is steps to prepare first application. And the third one is like language fundamentals. And the next one, fourth one is OOPS concept. This is the heart of Java. Right here I have very good awareness about it, and I had very good research on it. Next one is wrapper classes, and the sixth one is packages, and next seventh one is inner classes, and eighth one is string manipulations. Guys, just one time, just 2 minutes of time. Let me list out all the things now what we required, clear-cut information. Next one is exception handling. Then after completion of this exception handling, 10th one is multi-threading. Then 11th one is IO streams. Then 12th one is after this networking. Then after that 13th one is which one? RMI, remote method invocation. And 14th one is collection framework. And 15th one is like AWT. And 16th one is string like this, and 17th one is might be internationalization, and 18th one is JVM architecture, 19th one is garbage collector. Then after completion of this garbage collector, 20th one is guys 1 minute, all of you are listening my voice and all of you are seeing my content. Please one time confirm to me. I got some notices there. Okay, Ravi sir, we can check it. Your audio system might be everybody is listening my voice clearly. Good Ravi sir, just check it. And 20th one is reflection API. and 21 is annotations, and 22nd is which one? Generics, and 23rd, after completion of these generics, regular expressions, right? 24th is which one? Like basics of XML. 25th one is which one? Basics of JDBC. Just these last two are basics only, not complete awareness. Why? Because these two things will be covered at J2 level perfectly, but at core level, just basics I'm able to provide. And at the same time, and Java 8 features are covered automatically as part of our content here. So we can understand the 26th lambda expressions. So these are come under which one can mainly? So this is Java 8 version. Java 8 version's features I will cover clearly. So instead of saying lambda expressions here, just I want to call Java 8 features. Clearly we can identify it. Guys, now these are the topics here we can identify, all of you guys. Guys, totally how many topics here I listed here now? Overall 26 number of topics are listed here, all the concepts now. So everything I will discuss with you clearly, all the concepts here, we can identify this. So here what I am telling now, out of all these things, actual core Java is which one? Up to which one we can identify it? Actual core Java. Just I want to give some list here. Introduction part is required, and the next one is which one? And this one, okay. Next one is oops concept is very, very important. If you want to give stars now, we can give stars there. This one I will cover, this one, and this one, this one also important, and this one also important. And multi-threading is also a very, very important one. iOS seems okay, important, but this is again very, very important. So these topics are main topics. Java, in the sense these topics, they are mandatory. So just what I am telling there, mainly Java in the sense, object orientation is one main topic. Next, collection framework is second one. Next one, string manipulations, exception handling, multi-threading. These 5 topics are core, main concepts. If you know about these topics, successfully we can understand, we can say, I know very well about this core Java, what I am telling there. Good. But here we can identify it, if you observe these first 4 topics, actual Java will start from which one they know? Oops. Guys, understand it. Actual Java will start from which one they know? Object orientation. Oops onwards, our actual Java will start. Everybody understand my point. So before first 3 topics here I provided just namesake only. Namesake in the sense to separate the environment, to give some platform to understand our actual Java. So first 3 topics I started. So first 3 topics are interdependent topics there. No dependency on each and every one. Right from oops onwards we can start our content now actually, but might be some of you are available at different platforms there to provide some environment. Just I taken which one here no these concepts clearly. Let's understand it now. So these are namesake topics only. We can understand first 3. Actual Java will start from oops onwards here. We can identify it. Good sir. And the remaining topics, just I have not specified anything about these AWT and Spring's outdated topics anyway. And remaining last 10 to 15, 10 topics are available nearly. Remaining topics, these remaining topics are extra in core Java. In general, in outside core Java in the sense, these last 10 topics are not included, but I am going to include these last 10 topics here. I will discuss about it. Why? Because if you want to go for J2E level successfully, we must have awareness on all these topics. So this is complete Java, complete core Java I am telling there. But in outside core Java in the sense, first 14 topics only. When they completed first 14 topics, they will stop their batches also. But in my classes, not only that first 14 topics, next the 10 topics are totally my personal interest. I am going to take that last 10 topics clearly. So this is added advantage to you if you are attending my classes clearly. This is a very good syllabus, sir. What I prepared now, what I am going to be discussing here, very, very good syllabus what I am providing there. So last 10 topics are clearly which one? My personal interest, and to give complete awareness on core Java, that I included last 10 topics here. Actually our syllabus is which one? 15 or 14 topics there, or maybe 15 and 16 topics also. For example, if you are not having time, complete time there to attend this total course there, no need to worry about it. Attend up to first 14 topics, just we can stop it also, no problem there. core Java requirement will be fulfilled. But if you want to see my total awareness, my total concept on Java, you have to attend the total concepts here. No need to worry about it. So this is the syllabus here I am going to be provided to all of you guys. Watch. Next one. See, and one small thing here, identify this now. Identify guys, what I am telling there. So here our timing is which one there? What exactly the timing I specified to you? Actually, timing is which one? 8:30 to like 10 o'clock. 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST is a timing I have given. Guys, just 1.5 hour of time I am giving there. Okay, sir. Okay, Sachin sir. Then just at one time, see, if you are not getting the syllabus sheet and everything there, one time just talk with our admin people, just send a request mail to our admin people. That mail ID is also which one can know? DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. Just do this one, send one mail request, that means one mail there, automatically you will receive that everything, these videos and syllabus sheets and everything there, you will get it clearly. So timing is which one, 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. that we provided guys. Now understand guys what I am telling there. Ravi sir, I'll give that duration also everything, and these are time there. So what I want to do there, as early as possible I have to be enter into which one they know object orientation. Why? Because as early as possible I need to start our Java. So what I will do there here, I want to have a small view, try to understand it. First 3 topics are totally fundamental topics only, independent topics there. So what I am telling to all of you guys, so I want to divide this 8:30 to 10 o'clock time, what I want to divide there. So 8:30 to 9 I will take one session, and the second one is 9 o'clock to 10 p.m. IST I will take another session. Just first half an hour time I will take one session, second one is which one, another session, just to speed up our classes only and to enter into the object orientation as early as possible. For that purpose I will go for this one. Under this 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. what I will do there, first topic introduction, and second one is which one, steps to prepare first Java application. No problem. Which one we are going to be start as first one, which one we are going to be start as second one, no issues about it, just we can go for it here. This first 2 topics only I will discuss at 8:30 to 9 o'clock. This is one thing. And second one is which one, right, third topic is available there, no? What about this third topic here, no? Language fundamentals onwards, language fundamentals onwards up to the end of core Java. I will discuss in this timing there. Yes, try to understand it. First 2 topics I will discuss at 8:30 to 9 p.m. and the remaining, then third topic onwards, not second, third topic onwards, the total content, total core Java I am going to be discussed at what time here, no? So 9 to 10 p.m. This is about our plan, what I am providing there. Guys, all of you are listening my words now, please confirm to me. Please type yes or no on chat window. Okay, good. So what I am saying there, one more time I am telling there, first 2 topics I will talk at which time here, no? 8:30 to 9 p.m. Then third topic onwards I will take on at what time there, no? 9 to 10 here. This is a schedule. These 2 topics only I will take at 8:30 to 9. Then 9 to 10 I will start from language fundamentals, third topic to up to the end here. This is a schedule. So these 2 topics and this topic are not at all dependent one. Just anyway I will go for it. Just only one confidence I am telling to all of you guys. No need to worry about it regarding this Java course and everything. Whatever the schedule I am providing is, just try to follow that schedule. You will get more knowledge. At any point of time, for any topic, for any doubt, for anything, I will be back of you. No doubt about it. Just I am giving assurance to all of you now. Even if you are not understanding any one topic, if you are not getting complete clarity on these topics, no, I don't have any restrictions. We can attend my other batches also there clearly. I will give some information. At morning time also I am taking one class there. At my other batches also we can attend there. Any number of times we can attend. Anyway I am sharing my videos directly to you. We can listen any number of times until we are getting clarity. Or once again, if you want to attend my classes there, no need to worry about it. We can attend any number of times my classes here. So my complete philosophy is which one? Once you are attending my classes there, with the complete awareness, with the job only, we have to live from my classes. This is a simple word what I am giving here. And because of this reason only, and I framed this total syllabus, and I am trying to discuss about Java. This is my philosophy there. So anyway, then schedule for our classes and tomorrow onwards is which one here, guys? Understand it? Tomorrow onwards, the schedule is which one? 8:30 to 9. First two topics I used to discuss one by one. Introduction or steps to prepare first application. I will plan for it. And 9 to 10. What I am going to be discussed every day? No, language fundamentals onwards up to the end of the core Java. Guys, understand it? Can you say yes or no, please? Good. Yeah. That's all. This is the schedule. Just I don't have any other schedule for it. This is only the schedule. Just if we follow that, we'll finish our content within the time here. And I am planning to complete our session max 60 sessions to max at most 70 sessions. Max. I'm planning for it. 60 sessions to 70 sessions. I have a clarity. I want to complete it here clearly now. Yes, understand it. So then by that we are able to finish our content, and maximum up to Saturday I want to take classes there, right? Up to Saturday per week. That means Monday to Saturday we are going to have sessions there. Monday to Saturday. That depends on your interest. If you want to come on Sundays also, I don't have any problem there. On Sundays also I'm able to conduct our classes there. But in general, out of 7 days, 6 days I want to take per might be per week, no. Unfortunately, next coming Sunday and next Sunday, festivals are coming there. So that on Sundays I'm unable to take classes there up to this Pongal maximum. But up to Saturday I'm planning for classes there. No issues for it. And on December 31st is coming Saturday. So on the basis of our situation, we may plan for it anyway. Just we can identify it. Anyways, nothing about it. If you have any problem, just give that information to me. I will settle that problem there. So with our mutual coordination, we are going to finish our courses successfully. So that is a clear-cut information. No restrictions and no egos and nothing. Just if you have any problem, just freely we can talk with me. I can talk with you. We will settle the problems if you have anything. Just within the time, I am going to be finished our total content. This is my total word what I am giving there. Moreover, my support is which one? Until getting complete awareness, we can attend my classes any number of times. You don't have any problem here. Any number of times we can plan for my classes here. So if you are not having any job in outside, might be at any place there. So until you are getting job, just I will give support to all of you now. Just this is what exactly the word I am telling there. No need to worry about it now. Yes, guys, all of you are getting it now? Good. Now I want to stop this session. If you have any further queries and better what I am telling there, and try to, what about doubts, sir? Good, very good. So directly at the end of the session, I will give time to you, and we can type in the middle of the class also, you can type information on chat window. I will read it, I will give information. Or at the end of the session, just I will give time to you, just we can talk with me, just I can clarify your doubts there. Maximum, we may not get any doubts in our session there. Still, if you are getting any doubt there, just type the doubt on our chat window. Automatically, I am able to give a response for your doubt there, definitely. As part of my explanation, I will include that your doubt also clearly. That I am able to manage, just type your doubt on chat window, that's all. Or still it is bigger, is a more explanation is required there. At the end of the session, we can sit anytime, no issues about it. Yes, sir. Sachin, sir, are you understanding? For you only, I am giving clarity. Please type yes or no. At least, I can understand it. No, sir. No, not after completion of the class. No. Then every day you will get document. Every day class document I will provide. Ravi, sir, every day document I will provide to all of you. No need to worry about it. And Mayuri ma'am also. Thanks a lot. Every day when session is completed, within 1 hour to 2 hours of time, you will get video, and as well as you will get which one? My document. Everything. 500. That means every day document I will share to all of you. No need to worry about it. First I will give one PDF file, then where the total content is existed. Apart from that, every day running notes also I will send to all of you. Clear. From tomorrow onwards, 8:30 time, Lata ma'am. 8:30 to 9 o'clock, first two topics. Introduction part I will start there. 9 to, Lata ma'am, understand it. 9 to 10 I will go for which one? Language fundamentals. Tomorrow I will start both the sessions there. We can understand it clearly. Just we can come at 8:30. Up to 10 o'clock we have to sit in the class now, in the session. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Lata ma'am. Okay guys, and shall we meet on tomorrow? Deshmukh Govind sir. Okay. Shall we meet on tomorrow, please? Okay. Thanks a lot. Good night, guys. And tomorrow at 8:30, I will meet. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming for demo class. Thanks a lot, guys. Good night.